Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new update in Prodigy, the card update, or the pet card update, so let's get into the video. Alright, so there is this thing up here, and it says that I caught Scally, and we got a pet card with that, so I'm going to be showing you guys what that looks like. So we are going to go up here and avoid this, I don't know what that's called, just like a random wizard, and we will battle this. I do not remember what this is called, but we are going to need to win the battle. Well, we aren't going to win the battle because we're going to catch it. So we are just going to go ahead and answer our questions. So this one is 11. So here we go. We only have one attack, so we're going to have to do more math. So we did 51 damage. And let's see, they do 63 to the wizard. So now we are going to answer this, which is 120. We'll use Starbit, and we do 43. We should have it down to enough that we can just catch it next turn. So that is 750, and we will rescue it. So let's go ahead and catch it, and we should get a card. So here we go, and yeah, there. So it says rescued. It's a common 3. It's on, or that's level 3. It has the element down here. It has like this cool thing right here. I don't know what any of these things mean. It's this power, defense, heart, and speed. I don't really know what any of those would mean. But then it goes up to, I guess, what you'd call your collection. So we sadly cannot go into any other areas for some reason, because for some reason we need to be level 15, level 10, 25, and 20 to even go to... You need to be level 10 to go to Skywatch. I'm level 3, so I guess I will level up to level 10 and, well, I could just hack, because this is a hacked account. Alright, so here we go. We are going to go to I guess we'll go to Shiver Chill and see what the card looks like for that. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. We are going to catch the Neek. So here is what the ice, the ice pet card looks like. So these pets are actually more powerful since they're level 100 because I hacked. So this one looks pretty cool as well. We are going to go ahead and claim that and go on to the next area. So now we are catching a Snoots. So here is what the Storm one looks like. So yeah, it looks pretty cool as well. So now we are going to go on to Bonfire Spire. Alright, so we are now going to go ahead and catch Lava Collar. I do not know what this is called. I need membership to... Oh, I can't catch evolved pets, that's what it is, so... We're gonna have to just go ahead and catch something different. That's sad. Okay, so now we have a non-evolved pet, so we should be able to catch it now. So let's go ahead and catch it. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this one looks pretty cool. You just have like some fire on the bottom. And I think I am going to try and catch a Mimic to see if it will be water or shadow, because it is classified as a shadow pet. But anyways, either way, we are going to be heading to Fire Shipwreck Shore. So here we go, we are going to go ahead and catch Mimic since that's the one that I got to first. So here we go, let's see if it looks like, or if it's a shadow or water. And I'm not going to catch a physical. Okay, so they can put it as a water, which is interesting. It might be by the area, because Mimic shouldn't be a water, it should be a shadow. But I do like how this water one looks, because it looks very cool. But anyways, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. This took a very long time to get an account that had this. I was actually going for a different update that I will show you guys once I do get that on an account. But yeah, as I said, that's going to go ahead and end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.